Berlin, 1945. A city shattered, a regime on its last breath. By April 1945, Berlin was a fortress of desperation. As Soviet troops closed in from the east, the final chapter of Nazi Germany unfolded in a hail of gunfire and rubble. The streets echoed with artillery. The air reeked of smoke and fear. Civilians in the crossfire. But this wasn't just a battle for soldiers. Berlin's civilians, mothers, children, the elderly, were caught in the firestorm. In underground bunkers, people clung to life. Above them, buildings collapsed like matchsticks. The Red Army advances. For the Red Army, this was revenge. Stalingrad, Leningrad, Kursk, scars that bled into their boots as they marched into Hitler's capital. Every street corner was a battlefield. Every house, a last stand. Hitler's final days. In the Führer bunker beneath Berlin, Adolf Hitler dictated his final will. Outside, the city he vowed to rule forever crumbled. On April 30th, 1945, he took his own life, raising the victory banner. Then came the moment etched in history. Soviet soldiers hoisted the red flag over the Reichstag, a symbol of victory, a grave marker for fascism. Aftermath. Berlin lay in ruins, but from the ashes rose questions that would shape the post-war world. Justice, memory, responsibility. This was not just the end of a war. It was the beginning of a reckoning. This was the fall of Berlin, seen in color for the first time. Subscribe to the Colorized Past to rediscover history, one frame at a time.